Hello friends. So now today we are continuing the same exercise 10.1 from sum number 5th. Find the slope between 0, 0 and the midpoint of these two. From class 10th you know how to calculate midpoint. Suppose midpoint is m, 0 and 8 divided by 2, that is 4, minus 4 and 0 divided by 2, that is minus 2, and say n point is 0, 0. We want to calculate the slope between mn, and slope is nothing, you know very well, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is simply minus half equals to slope. Easy. Sum number 6 is you have to prove that this will be a right triangle, these three coordinates of right triangle. It means we are not using distance formula of class 10th, we are using the concept of slope, that the slope of the base and the slope of the perpendicular product equals to minus 1. So first we take the slope of first two, then last two, and then first and last. So slope of AB, suppose this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So slope of AB is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 1 upon minus 1, it is nothing but minus 1. Slope of BC will be y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 minus 6 divided by minus 4, that is 3 by 2. And slope of CA y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, we are getting minus 5 by minus 5, that is 1. Slope of AB is minus 1 and slope of CA is 1. It means AC and AB are perpendicular. It means A is here, so AB and AC are perpendicular lines. And slope of BC is 3 by 2. It is proved that these two lines are perpendicular, and in a triangle, if two lines are perpendicular, it is a right triangle. Clear? Next is very important question for competitive exams. The language is important. A line makes 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. This is positive direction of y-axis. Positive direction of y-axis, and it makes 30 degree measured anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this. This angle is 30 degree and we want to calculate its slope. When this line makes 30 degree, we can make like this. When this line makes 30 degree anti-clockwise from the positive direction of x-axis, if this one is 30, you know, what about this angle? If this one is 30, this one is 30. Vertically opposite is 90. 90 and 30, 120. And you know from the first lecture how we calculate the slope of the line. From positive direction of x-axis anti-clockwise we move, and the angle formed calculated is 10. Hence slope is nothing but 10, 120. You know a stasis system, 180 minus 60, that is 10, 60, but fifth minus sign, because in the quadrant number second, answer is minus root 3. So slope of this line, diagram is very important. Slope of this line is minus root 3. Next is 8th sum. Without using the distance formula, we want to prove that this one is a parallelogram. X minus 1, 2, 1, 4, 5. No, it's 8th sum. Points are collinear, and 9th is parallelogram. So first we start question number 9. Without using distance formula, we have to prove that these four coordinates are of parallelogram. Minus 2, minus 1, 4, 0, write in the proper cyclic order, 3, 3, and minus 3, 2. Let it be A, B, C, and D. Calculate the slope of each one. First we start with AD. Slope of AD will be second minus first, minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 plus 3, that is minus 3 divided by 1. Clear? Slope of DC, second minus first, that is 1 by 6. Slope of BC, second minus first, that is 3 upon minus 1. And slope of AB, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, we are getting 1 by 6. Now see, slope of AB is same as slope of DC. Slope of AB is same as slope of DC. It means these two lines are parallel. And slope of AD is same as slope of BC. It means these two lines are parallel. And what's the definition of parallelogram? You know from class 9th. If opposite pair are parallel, it will be a parallelogram. Hence proved using the slope method, not by the class 9th or 10th method. Correct? Easy questions, but important point is the formula of the slope. Next is, these 3 points are collinear. X minus 1, 2, 1 and 4, 5. See, if these 3 points are collinear, it means slope of AB is same as slope of BC. And B is the common point. It means ABC are collinear. So first we get the slope M1. This minus this, 2 minus x, M1. And slope of M2, 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2, that is 4 by 2, only 2. Slopes are equal, then only these 3 points are collinear. Comparing M1 equal to M2, since points are collinear. Correct? Compare 1 and 1, 2, 2 minus x equals to 2 by 1. So 2 minus x equals to 1, x equals to minus of 1, hence x equals to 1. Now next is sum number 10. Find the angle between x-axis and the line joining these 2 points. This is our x-axis and we want to calculate the angle between the x-axis and the joining of these two. That is simply we have to calculate the slope. So m is nothing but y2 minus y1, divided by x2 minus x1. We are getting 2, so minus 1 and 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 is tan theta. And you know, it is possible only when angle is 135 degree. This angle, line is, here it is 45 degree and it is 135 degree. So 45 degree line is here and 135 line here. So when 45, the slope is 1. When angle is 135, slope is minus 1. So we have to calculate the angle, theta is 135. Next is 11th. Angle between the two lines is given 130. And the slopes are 2 times of that. एक का slope अगर m है तो दूसरे का 2m है. You know the formula tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. And it may be plus or minus, or you can take the modulus. So here 1/3 equals to m1 minus m2, 1 plus m1 m2. It is nothing but 3m. We can write in modulus, cross multiply 3m equals to 1 plus 2m square. Modulus. Now suppose modulus m, here we can write. So suppose modulus m is t. So quadratic is 2t square minus 3t plus 1. 2t square minus 3t plus 1 equals to 0. Solve this quadratic very easy. Product we want 2 and sum we want 1. So here 2t common, t minus 1 common, t minus 1. So t equals to 1 or t equals to half. What is t? T means mod m. So mod m equals to 1 or mod m equals to half. That is m equals to plus minus 1 and m equals to plus minus half. When m is plus minus 1, what about the other slope? It's double. So when it is 1, then it is 2. When it is minus 1, it is minus 2. First pair. Second pair, when m is plus half, it will be 1. When m is minus half, other one is minus 2. So in this way, we will calculate all the pairs using m, and then the other one is 2m. So you have to write the answer of 2m in this way. Plus minus 2 and multiply this. So plus minus 1. This is the final answers for m. Next is sum number 12. xy and hk are the 2 points and the slope between them is m. We want to form the equation. M is given and 2 points are given. K minus y1, h minus x1. Simply cross multiply. M into h minus x1, k minus y1. So we can arrange and get the final answer. K minus y1 equals to m h minus x1. Simple. Next is sum number 13. Points are on the same line and points are on the same line. This type of question already we have completed. Using the slope method, slope of AB is same as slope of BC. The same is here. H0 AB, H0 AB and 0K. You know, slope of AB. How we calculate? अब तो याद हो जाना चाहिए. B minus 0, A minus H, and slope of BC, K minus B, 0 minus A. Since points are collinear, their slopes are equal. Hence, B divided by A minus H equals to K minus B divided by minus A. Cross multiply. Minus AB equals to AK, AB, HK, HB. Minus AB and minus AB cancel out. What we are getting? AK minus HK plus HB equal to 0. But we want our answer as A by H. So here it is, if we divide, we want answer must be A by H, B by, but HK. So what is HK? Minus HK we shift to this side. What we are getting? AK plus HB. Now if we divide by HK to numerator, to left hand side and right hand side, what we are getting? See, AK divided by HK plus HB divided by HK equals to 1, and you will get the answer. K and K cancel out, A by H and H cancel out, B by K equals to 1. What a simple question. केवल आपको क्या करना है, स्लोप को सेम किया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया और जैसे क्वेश्चन ने मांगा वैसे एडजस्ट कर दिया, कुछ भी नहीं. छोटी क्लासेस के हमारे को कंसेप्ट बहुत क्लियर होने चाहिए, कैसे डिवाइड करना है, कैसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना, तो आप 11th-12th की मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी कर सकते हैं. Last one is like class 9th or 10th. These are the 3 points, but y is missing. When 3 points are collinear, again the same question. When 3 points are collinear, their slopes are same. So here the slope, suppose points are A, B, C. So slope of AB equals to slope of BC. What is slope of AB? This minus this. 1995 minus 1985 equals to slope of BC 2010, y2 minus y1, x2 minus xy. Same method. अब ये statistics का भी part हो गया. 2, so 5 95, 85, 10, y minus 97, and 10 and 5, 15. Yes or no? Now cross multiply. 1 by 2. 15 equals to 2y minus 194. We want to calculate only 2y. So 2y equals to 194 plus 15. That is 9. 209. Y equals to 209 divided by 2. It is nothing but 104.5. Yes or no? 104.5 जो 92 था वो बढ़ के 95 हो गया और क्या बन गया y 104.5. इजी. तो ये स्टार्ट बेसिक 9th 10th से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस थे, मगर स्लोप का एक कंसेप्ट आपको नया दिया सिर्फ फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में. मेरे ख्याल में पढ़ाई अच्छी स्टार्ट कर दी होगी और समर ब्रेक को आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन पीरियड को बढ़िया से काम में ले रहे हैं. तो धीरे धीरे कोर्स आगे बढ़ाते रहिए और अपने कंसेप्ट को आगे लेते जाइए. मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज के आगे के फॉर्म, स्ट्रेट लाइन की डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स को लेकर के. करेक्ट? तब तक एक्सरसाइज को पूरा कर लेंगे. टेक केयर. गुड बाय.